What's going on, YouTube? So then I found the Hunterson fan Mega's bedroom house 2022 remake. So guys, I thought his wife's got two 100-watt daylight LEDs in it. You can see that, but it says something a fan might look. Top, I cleaned it today because it was dirty. Bitch. I'm gonna watch when someone tries to pull my ants. It's just the same fucking design. But here's well. Cell phone noises. Neighbors had chickens, the windows open, and it's blowing doors on as well. Look into too long a video on this. Best in the new Hunter Public a month. 2 months ago I did video. One video since I've seen those. But you sing this on this video once or twice. It's not nothing special anyway. It's kind of junk. It's not bad though. Man, it could be a little faster though. It wobbles like hell. Look at it. Like, why? Why? It's gotten worse, I think, too. Seriously. And she wants it like this. And someone hasn't fallen, so. The one top saw the mug. Okay. I've been drunk. Bye.